Welcome back to the Basics Hub. In this second part of our DIY outdoor series, we're bringing you 10 more creative projects that will elevate your backyard. From sustainable solutions to charming decor, these easy and budget-friendly ideas are perfect for any outdoor space. Let's dive in and get started. First up is our DIY rain barrel, a fantastic way to collect rainwater for your garden. Step 1, start with a clean, large trash can. Make sure it's free from any chemicals or residues. Step 2, using a drill, cut a hole near the bottom of the can to install a spigot. Ensure the hole is just large enough for the spigot to fit snugly. Step 3, cut a hole in the lid that fits your downspout. This allows rainwater to flow directly into the barrel. Step 4, position the barrel under your downspout, using bricks or blocks to elevate it slightly for better water flow. This eco-friendly solution not only helps you save water, but also reduces runoff and erosion in your garden. Next, let's create a charming pathway using DIY stepping stones. Step 1. Gather concrete mix and pour it into molds. You can use store-bought molds or make your own using cardboard or plastic containers. Step 2. Before the concrete sets, add colorful stones, shells, or glass beads on top for decoration. Step 3. Allow the stones to cure completely as per the concrete package instructions, usually about 24 hours. Step 4. Once cured, lay them out in your garden to create a beautiful pathway that guides visitors through your space. These stepping stones not only enhance aesthetics, but also provide safe footing in your garden. Attract local birds with these adorable DIY birdhouses made from recycled materials. Step 1. Choose your material. Wood scraps are ideal, but you can also use tin cans or plastic bottles. Step 2. If using wood, cut pieces to create walls, a roof, and a base. For cans or bottles, cut an entrance hole that's appropriate for small birds. Step 3. Assemble your birdhouse using screws or nails. Ensure it's sturdy enough to withstand weather conditions. Step 4. Decorate with non-toxic paint or natural materials like twigs and leaves to blend into the environment. Mount your birdhouse in a shady spot away from predators, and enjoy watching the birds come and go. Next up is a cozy outdoor rug made from old blankets. Step 1. Collect old blankets or fabric scraps that are weather resistant. Aim for materials that can withstand outdoor conditions. Step 2. Cut them into equal-sized squares or rectangles based on your desired rug size. Step 3. Sew them together using a sewing machine or by hand. Consider using heavy-duty thread for durability. Step 4. Optional. Add a non-slip backing by gluing rubber matting to the underside. This budget-friendly rug adds comfort underfoot on patios or picnic areas while showcasing your personal style. Turn an old wooden ladder into an attractive vertical planter. Step 1. Start by cleaning the ladder and sanding any rough spots. If desired, paint it in bright colors for added flair. Step 2. Secure pots to each step using wire or twine. Make sure they are stable enough to hold soil and plants. Step 3. Fill each pot with soil and plant flowers, herbs, or trailing plants that will spill over the edges. Step 4. Lean the ladder against a wall or fence for support. Ensure it's secure so it won't tip over. This eye-catching display not only saves space but also draws the eye upward in your garden. Next, let's upcycle those empty ice cream buckets into vibrant planters. Step 1. Rinse out any leftover ice cream thoroughly to prevent attracting pests. Step 2. Drill several drainage holes in the bottom of each bucket. Step 3. Use outdoor paint to decorate them in bright colors. Consider using stencils for fun designs. Step 4. Fill with potting soil and plant colorful flowers or herbs. These fun planters add pops of color to your garden while being eco-friendly. Let's create an organized firewood rack using pallets. Step 1. Start with 2 clean pallets. Ensure they are sturdy and free from rot. Step 2. Stand them vertically and secure them together with screws. Step 3. Add cross supports between pallets for stability. Step 4, which is optional. Create a roof using additional wood pieces to protect firewood from rain. This rack keeps firewood neatly stored off the ground while allowing air circulation. Transform an over-the-door shoe organizer into a handy herb garden. Step 1. Hang the shoe organizer in a sunny location on your patio or balcony. Step 2. Fill each pocket with potting soil. Step 3. Plant herbs like basil, parsley, and mint in each pocket. This vertical herb garden saves space while keeping fresh herbs easily accessible. Let's turn old ladders into charming trellises for climbing plants. Step 1. Clean and paint the ladder if desired for aesthetics. Step 2. Lean it against a fence or wall where you want climbing plants to grow. Step 3. Plant climbing plants at the base of the ladder. Consider beans or peas. As they grow, train them up the ladder for added rustic charm. Create an outdoor chalkboard menu board that's perfect for gatherings. Step 1. Cut plywood to your desired size. Consider making it large enough for visibility. Step 2. Apply several coats of chalkboard paint until fully covered. Step 3. Optional. Frame it with wood trim for added style. Step 4. Mount it in your outdoor entertaining area where guests can easily see it. This versatile board is perfect for displaying menus during barbecues or special events. There you have it, 10 more creative DIY projects to enhance your outdoor space. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.